Diabetes is a common disease that can affect kids of all ages and many adults. There are actually two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2 diabetes.
You may have heard some grown-ups talking about having diabetes. This is usually type 2 diabetes. When a person has type 2 diabetes, the pancreas, that big organ next to the stomach, can usually still make insulin, but just not enough, or there is some reason that the insulin can't unlock the cell door.
People with type 2 diabetes can control it by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking pills that can either help the pancreas make more insulin or make the insulin work better.
We're here to tell you all about what type 1 diabetes is and help you understand it.
You can't tell by looking. On the outside, people with diabetes look the same as you and me. On the inside, however, their bodies have parts that don't work properly, or sometimes don't even work at all.
Kids with diabetes have some pretty important stuff they have to do to make sure they feel well. When you eat, your stomach digests or breaks down your food small enough so it can be sucked up in your bloodstream. Part of this broken down food is called glucose. Basically, it's a type of sugar. In your bloodstream, there are hungry cells that want to gobble up the glucose. This gives your cells energy to do their jobs. To get the glucose into the cells, you must have insulin.
Insulin is a hormone, or a protein, made by the pancreas, the very large organ next to the stomach. Insulin works like a key to open the cells and let glucose in. The pancreases of people with type 1 diabetes don't make any insulin. Without insulin, cells would not get fed, and all the glucose would stay in your blood, causing high glucose levels. Not good.
This high level of sugar in the blood is what makes your friends with diabetes feel sick, and over time can lead to serious health problems. Simply put, diabetes means your body can't use the food you eat. So a person with this disease has a broken pancreas, so no insulin is produced. And the insulin can't open the cell, and the cell can't eat the sugar.
Think of it like driving a car. No gas, no go. If diabetics don't take really good care of themselves, they can become very sick. It's a lot of work, but the good news is, for kids with diabetes, most of the time they can run around like crazy, just like you.